Hmm? నా సిస్టమ్ కాదు నా సిస్టమ్ కాదు అదేనా విండోస్ 10 11 11 ఇది ఫైల్స్ ఉంటాయి మరి ఫైల్స్ డిలీట్ చేస్తున్నారా ఫైల్స్ ఏం లేవు నాకు Good morning, guys, and online students. So, guys, online students, I'm audible. So, is it clear my voice? Online students. Okay. So, in this batch today, anybody newcomers are there in this batch? This is your first session. Okay, right. So, guys, here, actually, the class, this batch was started in the last week. Okay, and some demonstration, that is, some demo classes are completed. Okay, right. And so who are the newcomers? Those people purpose, just today I will take some information about Oracle course and what we are learning, what is what. And of course, online students, if anybody newcomers are there in the online, okay. So today's session complete describe what it was happened in the last week. Okay, the complete describing I will go to give it here. And if any new students are there, they can understand what it was happened in the last week. Okay, and the flow will be continue. Okay, no, right. So just wait for this. Okay, the regular students, you just wait. Okay, for this session. And first I will give it some information about our course. Okay, the newcomers in offline as well as online. So you guys just observe. So in this new session, that means in this session, in this course, so what exactly we are learning and what it was and what kind of duration, okay, and what kind of topics which was comes under this course. Okay, so these are all the things. Let me see. We will check it out here. So the newcomers, check it out once. Right. So guys, you all of you know the course, this was okay. So we all of you know this courses belongs to your Oracle 19C course here. So this is your belongs to that. So we are learning Oracle 19C version and 19C. Okay. The font size okay for last guys? Font size okay? No. Now check it out. No. It's okay now. Done. Okay, so your course guys here, this is Oracle 19C course. Okay. Now, and this duration, what is the duration for this course? Okay, no? So this is a 60 session duration guys here. Okay, no? This is 60 sessions. Okay. So 60 classes I will take to finish your Oracle. So why, sir? Why are you taking 60 sessions? Suppose somebody have a doubt. So because of reason in this Oracle, not only for SQL, even though we are learning along with SQL, we are learning PLSQL also, as well as dynamic SQL also we are learning. So these three parts, SQL, PLSQL, and dynamic SQL. So these three parts we need to cover in the 60 sessions. And along with this, so we are covering Oracle, about Oracle. What is that? Okay, how to install, how to download the versions and architecture. So this all we are discussing in this. And along with that, okay, some introduction part of your DBMS. Okay, so these things we need to cover in these sessions. Okay, that's why I'm taking 60 sessions. And I hope that nowadays you can go for any courses. It's a minimum duration, how much you're expecting. Yeah, tell me, what is your guessing? What is the minimum expectation? How much duration you are expected? 45 days. Sure. Is there any course to complete it 45 days? Huh? No. So practically think, okay, so whatever they said, okay, they will said anything, but real fact, when you come to classes, you can understand, because we are teaching, we are trainers, we knows that how much it will be. Yes or no? So that's why out of the people, what they said, I don't know. But my classes, whatever my schedule was there. So in that schedule, I will take a 60 sessions. So it's minimum 2.5 months. If you calculate it months wise, 2.5 months, maximum 3 months. Okay. So in 3 months means, of course, we have a Sundays. You need to, what we can say, the remove the Sundays, whatever it is. Okay. Finally, you will come to exactly what now? 25 days, 25 days, 20 days, like this. Total 60 sessions I will take. And maximum, I'm not increased. I'm not taking Sunday classes maximum. Your classes Monday to Saturday. Okay, now. So in that case, so it will be take your 60 sessions. Okay, now? Right. And of course, if you wanted, so suppose some people are there. Those people wanted only SQL because of reason, maybe their next level of courses purpose, they need only SQL. So if you wanted only SQL means you can spend maximum 30 sessions. That's your wish. But you need it PLSQL and dynamic SQL also. Compulsory you stay. How many sessions? 60 sessions. So this is big clarity for my side. And later you don't ask me, sir, how much duration, how much duration? Yes or no? Because when I'm giving the schedule, based on the schedule, and you should also plan. Okay, no? Right. If you here I said 3 parts are there: SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL. So dynamic SQL is a small part, small portion. So I'm not consider that, but SQL, PLSQL, these are the major languages what we are learning in our Oracle. So if you want it only SQL, you just go to what I said, 30 to 35 like this, your SQL will be finished. And if you wanted that, you can happily finish 30 to 35 sessions and leave it up. Okay. And you want it complete course means you should stay, okay, how many? 60 sessions. This is the clarity on this. And next one is, what is your timings, guys? Because so many people are asking, so what is the timing? Okay. So your timings will be, okay. Okay. So your class will start, guys, at 9 to 15. Okay. It will be starting session. Okay. And the 9:50 to 10:30. 9:50 to 10:30. This is your session class. It's called as your class. So total maybe 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay, so almost we are discussing our complete, it is a training class. Okay, na? And after that, along with this, the last 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is also I'm giving clarity. Last 15 to 20 minutes, we are discussing about our doubt sessions. We are discussing about our doubt sessions. Okay, na? So I will divide like this. So almost 1 hour 45 minutes everyday class is going to be happen. Okay, 1 hour 40 or 45 minutes. Okay, na? Right. So this is your class timing. Okay, and after that come back to your the doubt session. I will spend with you on every session. After, when you have a doubt, you come here and ask me. Okay, na? If you are online offline students and online students, and here what I want to do, 10 minutes offline student, 10 minutes online students, I will take a doubt session. Okay, na? So I should take like this, or else one day complete online and one day complete offline, which is better? So every day 10 to 10 minutes I have to take a doubt session, 10 minutes for doubt offline students and online students. That is a better for us, or else one day offline and one day online, which is better? Come on guys, online students, you also respond. Which is better? 10 to 10 minutes enough? It's more enough 10 to 10? And later don't bother about that, sir, you didn't give any response to us, especially online students. I'm saying that you didn't give any response to us. Okay, so because of in 10 minutes, just practically think how many people, okay, how many people doubts can I clarify? What is your expectation? Maximum 10 minutes, how many students doubts will be clarified? 100 students? No, na? Then maximum, if some students are asking, some students completely one day total entire Oracle course is asking, Oracle doubts are asking in one day only. If that type of student is came na, what happened? This 20 minutes also not enough. Yes or no? I want to spend with them, okay, almost half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, so that is better, or else no sir, one day you should just you want to go for one day offline, complete 20 session 20 minutes and complete 20 minutes offline students, which is better? That's depend on you only. Can I take alternative? One day, otherwise 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay guys, and what about online students? 10 minutes enough? One day offline, one day online. Which is better? 10 to 10 minutes better? Okay. So majority people saying that 10 to 10. So I also follow the 10 to 10. If 10 minutes are over, I disconnect from your online, guys. Online student. 10 minutes only. In 10 minutes, either I will interact one person or 5 people or 10 people. That's depend on your doubts. Yes or no? Okay, right. 10 minutes. Be clarity now. Again, I'm not changing. Think about 10 minutes you want it, or 20 minutes you want it. 15 not possible here. I have one more class. As for my schedule also, I have to adjust now, because I'm not only teaching only one class now. Again, I have one more class 11 o'clock. That's why 20 minutes 10. Is it clear now? Okay, I should follow that one. Okay, and later don't ask me, sir, you didn't give response, you didn't give response. In 10 minutes maximum, I will cover how many students? Okay, that many I will cover. Okay, maybe some days, one day it may be 1 or 2 students, next day maybe 5 students, and the next day only 1 student, maybe. It's a depending on our doubts. Clear now? So I hope that if you listen classes carefully, what I was explaining here and whatever presenting here, maximum your doubts are clear. I hope that. Okay, right. So 10 minutes I will take for online and offline. Okay now? Clear now? Okay, right. So this is your Okay. The next one is, guys, here, the course type. Okay. So already I said to you, this is both students are there here. So actually that is the problem to here. One is what now? Online students as well as offline. Okay. The both students are there here. So this is your course. Okay. Name, duration, timings, and your type of the course. And in Oracle, what we are learning. Okay. In Oracle, what we are learning. Here, I'm just given main contents, but you need exactly Oracle, what we were learning means you can go to take what we can say. The content information was there in the narrative management people. When you're going to interacting to the people, okay, you are going to paying money or ID cards. At the time, you can ask them. Okay, they will give course content, what we can say, the paper, whatever it is. Okay, that you have to take it if you want it. Okay, and in this, we are discussing, guys, here. So what we are discussing in this. So what I said, topic one, what is that? DBMS. Okay, because without knowledge of DBMS, we can't go for Oracle or any database courses. Okay, and this DBMS is not only for Oracle, guys. Even though when you are learning in the future, the Power BI, MS BI, Tabla, QuickView, yes or no, or any kind of the technologies which you learn. So first of all, should know the minimum knowledge of DBMS. So DBMS, what it is, what are data, information, types of databases, okay, models of DBMS. These all we want to know it. It's a just little bit information, just like it is a warm-up classes. Okay, it's like what now? Warm-up. Warm-up means before you are going to exercise or before going to gym, what we want to take first 5 to 10 minutes? Warm up. Yes or no? Same like this. Before you enter into Oracle, this is DBMS is like a warm up classes. So what is what? Okay, we want to know it. And after that, guys, here in the second topic was, okay, the topic number 2. So we are learning about, I said, what we are learning about? Oracle. So the most important thing is, so many people are asking in the last week session, sir, what is the differences between Oracle SQL? Oracle and SQL. So it means that you have a confusion. Oracle SQL means so many people thinking both are same. Okay, so many people think both are same, but that was absolutely wrong. That is not correct. Oracle is different and SQL is a different. So Oracle is what now? It's just a software. Okay, so whenever you want to develop any application, you must and should be required some softwares, no? Yes or no? For example, in this class, Java students are there. For example, tell me, guys, if you want to write a Java program or to want to develop one Java application, can you directly develop or you are using some editors, some softwares are using? Using the software? What is the software for Java people? Editor? Eclipse, My Eclipse, Edit Plus. Okay, this kind of editors you are using, IDE, yes or no? So by using of those environments, you are going to be writing your programs and developing your application. Same as when you come to Oracle. Okay, so here also I need to write some SQL queries, write some PL SQL programs. It's not like that. Okay, where I want to write my SQL queries and PL SQL programs means here also I need some tools, some softwares, some editors we required. Okay, so that we are getting from what now? Oracle. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that this is Oracle tool about. We are learning about the Oracle tool. Okay, so what it was comes, I will explain to you. And the next one is called as, guys, here, the topic number 3, what we said? SQL. So after knowing Oracle what it is, then we started what now? SQL. So by using of SQL language, by using of Oracle, how I want to use in my, okay, how I want to use your, which language? SQL language. So SQL language were integrated with the Oracle softwares or Oracle tool. SQL language can integrated with many different tools, like SQL with the SQL server. It's called a Microsoft product. Okay, so SQL integrated with the MySQL, SQL integrated with the Oracle, SQL integrated with the DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingresys, Teradata, MaxDB, PostgreSQLs. Okay, so these are all our what now guys here, different types of softwares. And these all different types of softwares, we are going to be integrated with what now? SQL language. So that's why the people saying that SQL is the one and only one language which can use to communicate with the any databases in the world. That means any means relational database management systems. Okay, now in relational database management system, what type of softwares are there? How many softwares are there which comes under relational databases or object relational? So that every database tool, if you want to integrate or if you want to work on, then we must and should need a knowledge of what now? SQL. So SQL is a common language, but the point is what now? What is common means only few things, like the basic fundamentals are common, like DDL queries, DML queries, DQL, TCL, DCL. These 5 sub languages commands are common for any database software or any databases like Oracle, SQL, MySQL, whatever it is. But later on, it will be changes. How it was changes means Oracle is having its own data types, its own operators, its own functions, yes or no, its own methods, okay, its own procedures. So like this, okay. And SQL Server, again in SQL Server also having its own functions, its own data types, its own procedures, yes or no. So like this, come to MySQL. MySQL is also having its own data types, its own procedures, functions, operators, and these all are again having its own syntactical specifications. It means that .NET Java, both are same. Both are having same kind of concepts, but the way of implementation is different. Simple logic, remember. Okay, for example, in Java, you have a hoops concept. The same concept is there under .NET also. So both concepts are same. Both purpose is same. Aim, ambition, objective, everything is same. But where it is different, guys? Implementation wise, it's different. So you are writing something and somewhere, okay, some editors, okay, which is related to Java. .NET people also implementing some own syntaxes, own specifications, own rules, regulations, everything. Okay, now, and there are own editors. So how you can go to differentiate here Java.NET, but both are same kind of features, facilities are provided, like developing mobile applications. Can I develop mobile application by using of Java? Yes, .NET people also can develop. So mobile application, Android application, console application, web application, setup and deployment application, device applications. Okay, so how we can say that these all the things can be do by .NET people also. But still, are you saying like this .NET Java same? Never, impossible. If both are same technologies, then there is not necessary to introduce. Yes or no? So both are different technologies, different specifications, but concepts are same. Same like this: Oracle SQL, SQL Server SQL, MySQL SQL. Language commands are same. That's called the built-in commands, whatever I said, DDL, DML. These are same. But next concepts are same, but implementation is different. So that's why don't think that MySQL, Oracle same. Lot of different, because before I'm telling that, because so many students are, they wanted MySQL, but they're coming and sitting into Oracle classes. They didn't understand. So Oracle syntaxes, they're writing under MySQL software. Then what happened? Compilers are, what it was happened is going to be accepted here. C language code, can I write into Java? Java compilers can understand C language code? Not at all, because every language is having its own compilers. How you can say C compiler, C++, C++ compiler, Java compiler, .NET compilers. So regarding to their language, according to their language, it's having own compilers, and those things only understand. Same here also. Okay, now Oracle code, if you're writing into MySQL editors, then MySQL compilers cannot understand. It was showing errors. That's called a compilation errors. So that was big clarity what you wanted. You wanted Oracle SQL, you wanted SQL Server SQL, you wanted MySQL SQL. Okay, na? That is also very important to get it here. Okay, na? Right. So now, so here we are learning what now? Oracle SQL. And before I'm telling, this SQL is completely Oracle application, not any other databases. Okay, na? Except the fundamental languages DDL, DML, TCL, DCL, DQL. So except these language commands, remaining things will be changed. Okay, now and don't ask me again and again, sir, I wanted MySQL. This is not MySQL. To be honest, I'm telling that this is not a MySQL. This is not SQL Server. You wanted SQL or MySQL, you can join into other batches. Okay, now right. Next one is so, and the next one, the most important topic here, the topic number, this is through now, and this is 4. What I said, the main designing phase. What is the designing phase? I said here, normalization. Okay, it's a completely database design. It's a completely database designing part. Okay, so normalization is also one of the very important topic when come to interacting with your databases. Okay, it may be Java students, any kind of student. I can't say specific people can only this topic will be help you means that's not correct. Okay, any technology person, they must and should have some knowledge of normalizations, how these normalizations can be used in their designing phase. Okay, in designing phase, how they can go to use it and what kind of types are there, and each type, each form, each technique, what we are doing. Okay, so that all kind of things we are learning under normalization. And after that, this is completely SQL. Okay, now up to here, if you learn it up to here, suppose you people thought like I wanted only SQL, sir, I don't want it PL SQL, means up to here you can learn and leave. So maximum I will take it 30 to 35 sessions I will take to finish this concepts. Okay, now so if you want it, you can up to here learn it, and this is completely related to what I said, SQL part. Okay, so that means you are learning SQL integrated with which tool? Oracle tool. Okay, now not at SQL or MySQL, integrated with which tool? Oracle tool. So this is if you wanted, and this is comes under SQL part. Okay, now suppose you need to go as a database programmer, especially suppose some students they're trying to backend also, not in front end side, they're trying to backend also. So when you're trying backend, like a database programmers, DB programmer, DB developer, yes or no? So Oracle programmer, Oracle developer, SQL programmer, SQL developer, yes or no? So these people, if completely they choose their career at backend side, okay, na? So those people compulsory they should require which topic here? The topic number. This is very, very important for programmer. So who are going to Oracle application side, Oracle development side, SQL developing side, PLSQL programming side, if anybody that have an interest to go that side, they must and should need a knowledge of PLSQL. Because when you go to pure database programmer, you should have a good knowledge SQL plus PLSQL. These two languages are very important, especially the backend developers. Okay, and they should learn it. There is no other chance in this. Okay, now that's why we called it pure complete Oracle. Okay, right. So this is what. And the last topic I said. What is the last topic, guys? Here. So it's called as what? Dynamic SQL. Okay, and dynamic SQL is not a big concept. It is a small technique. How to converting your static queries into dynamic. So whatever we are learning this SQL, this is purely static related. This is purely which related here? Static related. Okay. This is called a static, what you are learning. So the static queries, how to convert into dynamic query. Understand my point there? So Static means can we change or we cannot change? We cannot change. So what we declared, that was fixed in that program. Yes or no? So what we declared, that was fixed in that program. Okay. Later, if you want to change dynamically means that was not happen in this program. Okay. Suppose if you created dynamic variable means what happened? The values, whatever you are passing to that variable, those values you are passing at a declaration level or at a runtime level? Runtime level. So runtime level as a user choice. Whatever I want to send, it's my choice. And of course, in real time, mostly we are prefer what now? Dynamic. Because I'm the one of the customer. I will enter my own number. Suppose you are the one customer. You will enter your own number. And you are the one of the customer. You will enter your own number. It means that what? It's a choice to users. So it's not like that I was entered. The Sudhakar was entered 10 number. Is it, it should follow like this? Everyone should enter 10? No. So it's my requirement basis. I pass some value 10. And your requirement purpose, you pass some value as your requirement. Yes or no? So I said 10, 20, 35, 45, any kind of value. When you want to give it, then that's called as what? Dynamic. And of course, nowadays you are going to be listening like a dynamic HTML, dynamic web pages. Can you listen? Static HTML, static web pages, and dynamic web pages. So which will be preferred mostly? Dynamic web pages are preferred for that. Okay. So here also, if you have a good knowledge of SQL, static queries, just a technique, just a formula was there to convert into dynamic query. That's it. So dynamic query means advantage is what now? The programmer or users, they can send the values at a execution level, what they wanted. Okay. That was telling by what now? Dynamic. Okay. So these are the topics, guys, here. The main topics. Okay. I'm not given contents here in between. So DBMS content, Oracle content, SQL content. So if you want it, you can take and collect from Naresh IT management people. Okay. No? But these are our major topic, what I said. Okay. No? So now, these are the things. And later I said, guys, here about your notes. Okay. So what I said about your notes. So you're completely, okay, here one thing, at the time of explanation, whatever I'm going to here explaining on my notepad. And of course, I don't have a chance to explain on what? Board. Because of reason, online students. If online students are not there, if it is a completely offline, then mostly I will explain on board. But the problem is what now? Two people are there. So online people also there. So that's why every explanation I will go for on notepad. So notepad is better now, explanation purpose. And you guys also can see, and online people also, they can also view it. Yes or no? So that's why explanation notes, whatever I'm going to explaining on the notepad, if you wanted explanation notes, you just take in your, okay, in your whatever the notes you get, taking now, so you can write. So I will give headings and everything. You have to write. And one more thing, explanation notes is just a shortcut notes. So in the classroom, what we explained. So in the classroom, what we explained, that all I will give it. Okay, now. So, but don't expect that entire definition you have in the main material. Okay, here shortcutly our understandable format. Okay, I'm giving our definition in notepad. Okay, and if you go to main notes, the main material, you have a clear definition. That means complete definition. Okay, now, right? But both are same, but the what we can say, main material is different, notes is different. Yes or no? So like you have to. So here, so I said, guys, new people can see it here. So I was given here two things here every day and every topic wise. Okay. So every topic wise, I will give it here two notes, guys, here. Every topic wise. Okay. So first one is what now? Running notes. So I'm telling here. So running notes. Okay. And this is running notes is a one on every topic. And the running notes is having in which format here? TXT format. Okay, that means just explanation note I'm sharing to you. And also what next we said? Okay, main notes. Okay, the main notes, it's completely which format? PDF. And how it will be means, I will show you 1 second. So previous batches, okay, how they're getting running notes and main notes here observe. Okay, so this is 11 a.m. batch here. Okay, and okay, let me see. So for example, okay, suppose introduction to otherwise, yeah. Suppose you are one of the topic here, data types in Oracle. So this is what now? Running notes. If you want to expand here, so there is a txt file. That means it was having in the text format. So in the classroom, what we discuss, okay, na? This is completely text format here. So you will get this. Is a one thing. Okay. This is which format, guys? Text format. Txt text file here, simply we can say. And when come to the main notes, if you see the main notes, if you see your main notes, yeah, this is your main notes. Okay. In the main notes, if you have any diagrams, okay, so differences, diagrams, everything will be there like this. Suppose you have a diagram, okay, the differences between ANSI and non-ANSI, yes or no? So like this is what? Okay, no? So like this, the two notes we have it here. One is main notes and running notes. And main notes having which format here? PDF format. This is completely PDF format here. And running notes is completely text format. So on every topic, you will get a two notes. And suppose if your topic is very big topic, okay, suppose your topic is very big topic, then what it was happen, you can see, for example, subqueries are there. In one block only, I'm creating one block. The block name is what now? Subquery and running notes. If you open this, okay, there are so many files are there in one block. Can you see? How many files are there? 5. That means first, second, third, fourth, 5. So these are the 5 files. That means subqueries we are discussing almost 5 sessions. How many sessions? 5 sessions. So maybe sometime 5 to 6 sessions also happening. Okay. So every session running notes. For example, this is first one. This is my first session, second session, third session, fourth session, fifth session. Okay. So one block I'm creating on the name of particular topic, and that topic, how many sessions we explained here, we spent here in the classroom, that all files are keeping into one block. Okay. These are running notes. So having 5 files, but when come to the main notes is having only one file is there. So one file is there. Which file it is? PDF file. There's only one file about your subquery, and it's a clear information with examples. All I was given in this material and documentation. Okay, so all are having here. Okay, now understand now. So like this, you people will get here the two kind of notes about your topic wise in Oracle. Okay, now right. So this is just sample example I'm showing now, and after that, the next level is. Okay, so this is what, and what I said in the finally, what you want to get it. Okay, finally, so after or finally course, or else we can say end of the course. Okay, so end of the course, what you will get from my side. Okay, this is my personally, I will provide to you guys here. So first thing is I said complete. Okay, what I said complete Oracle material. Okay, now it's complete. Which format, guys? Here, PDF. So after course is completed, you will get it here, and after that I will send here IQs. Okay, so interview questions. If anybody interested to try database side, they can, and especially present on database freshers. Okay, especially few companies are there, they will regularly they are taking. One is TCS. So TCS, Accenture, these are the two companies they are taking database developers mostly every year continuously they are taking, because they wanted database developers. And it means that not only these two companies, remaining so many companies are there, but regular process, regular hirings was happening under TCS and Accenture, especially Oracle developing side, database developer side. Suppose you have interested, you can upload your resume into TCS web portal, or else your Accenture portal, you can upload it. So definitely you will call it. And 11 o'clock batch, one of the student, he got it placement, okay, in Accenture, okay, with good package, 2.8 lakhs package as a fresher. So I hope that as a fresher, even though in Java also you will get maximum how much? 3.2, minimum 2.4. In between, nowadays your package is also there as a fresher. So when you compare it to Java, .NET people also same thing. Yes or no? So when come to Oracle is also 2.8 as a fresher is excellent. So good package, and definitely as per your experience, as per your talent and your performance wise, definitely they will increment your salaries. It's a common process for every company on every technology. Okay, now right. So now here I will give it IQs, almost 100 plus IQs I prepared on this SQL and PL SQL. Okay, including some dynamic SQL interview questions also. Okay, that was. And later, guys, your examples. Okay, for your class examples, almost we are discussing 100 plus, and along with this we have here one more that is called as some additional examples. I will give almost 200 plus examples. The total you will be taking here 300 plus examples, including your class notes as well as the extra homework like exercise examples. Almost 300 plus Oracle examples are you covering in this course, okay, including your extra exercise examples also. So now later I said, and after that resumes. So many people are asking resumes, okay, and resume models I will send it to you. One is as a fresher, how to create a database resume, and as an experienced person, how to create one database resumes. Because resumes also, when you're preparing Java related resumes are different, front end and back end. So back end side, how to prepare the model papers I will give to you. Based on that model papers, you have to design your resumes. Okay, now that's what. And finally, you will be get it here. Okay, Oracle certificate, and this is okay course certificate here. So certificate, but this course certificate I'm not giving. Okay, it was given by who? Naresh IT management people. So Naresh IT management people, from there you have to take it here. Okay, once your course is completed, then take from this course certificate and from Naresh IT. And online students, you also take it this course ID. Once you finish your details, when you send it to the administrator will take your information and they will pass. Okay, now Right. So these are guys here, the details of your course content. Okay, now, and the last 1 week, okay, the recording video sessions also, my people will uploading into Google Classroom. Okay, now, because some new students are, they're missing the last week. A few sessions you missed, that recording videos also I will give it. And as well as for you new guys purpose, this week, maybe Friday and Saturday, these 2 days, I will take a backup classes also. Okay, now if anybody miss from the DBMS topic, this topic, okay, and some part of this, I think little bit started Oracle, right? Yes. So who missed this one? Okay, DBMS and some part of Oracle. Otherwise, Oracle I will take from again. But this topic, who missed here? Uh, uh, Freshers, offline and online students. Your people purpose, I will take 2 sessions backup this week only. Okay, Friday and Saturday, and I will tell you what timings I want to take that backup classes. So this 2 days, the end of the week, if you come and attend DBMS classes, then you will be continue for regular students. Okay, now, so you don't miss anything in this course. Okay, so clear all of you, the newcomers, your duration, timings, what you are getting clear now? Newcomers, online student, newcomers, online people. Up to here clear now? Then later I will interact with you for your doubts, but up to here clear now? Okay, right. Okay, guys. So this is okay, what it was happened. And the DBMS topic, okay, I will give a backup for you and come to what is the next topic we discuss here? Oracle. So okay, now, so here the few points observed about Oracle, and if you wanted running notes, you can take running notes also. Okay, and DBMS recording videos also I will share you, okay, na, along with backup classes. Clear na, new guys? Okay. Now, so guys, here the basically, okay, so few questions about here. Okay, newcomers observe. So what is Oracle? So it is my first question when come to, okay, when you're learning any tool, okay, either SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, any kind of tool. Okay, so the first question is coming out like, what is Oracle? So Oracle, if you want to get some idea on DBMS, simply here I'm telling that, okay, Oracle is simply be called as here, it is a, what I said, it is a database software. It is a database software. Okay, even though, or else we can say it is a RDBMS. Okay, in the bracket, which part I said? Object Relational Database Management System. Okay, product. Okay, or else even though it is called as what now? Backend tool. So different manner you can call as your Oracle. So Oracle, what is Oracle means? Oracle is a database software. Okay, or else we can say relational database management system. And in this relational database management system, which part here? Object relational. So actually in relational, there are 2 parts are there. It was classified into 2 ways. One is object relational and one is object oriented relationals. That means simply you want to remember SQL, no SQL. Okay, SQL means what now? Object relational database management systems. No SQL. Nowadays you are listening. No SQL databases. Yes or no? In market. Okay, no SQL means that's called a object oriented, that is. So object relational is different. Object orient is different. Okay, object relational databases are called as a SQL databases because it's depend on SQL. So object oriented database is called as a no SQL databases because it is not depend on SQL. Okay, now, so there are 2. But what we are learning means we are learning SQL dependency. We are not learning object oriented. We are learning SQL dependency databases. That's called a Oracle. That's called a Oracle. Okay. So that's why simply it is a software. Okay. Otherwise RDBMS product or ORDBMS products also you can call, nothing problem. And later what we can say? Backend tool. Okay. But this Oracle, Okay, why we need to use? Why we need to use this Oracle tool or software, whatever it is? So simply we can say to store, to store data or information, to store data or information in which manner? Permanently, man. Okay, or permanently. Okay, but along with what I said, security. So it is one of the important factor. Okay, security also one of the important factor along with security, because storages are, there are different types of storages we have. Okay, books and papers. Okay, DBMS files. Okay, and Oracle. So now, but here there are different types of data storages, but databases main intention is what now? Permanent storage is the first point, and along with permanent, what is the second one? Security. So this is another one. So these two things are very important for us. So databases present, why it was boom up, why industries are using, what is the reason behind this? Means this is one of the reason, security. If suppose the databases are not providing any kind of security, then no one can use database, because the main purpose of user is what we are expecting nowadays, security we are expecting. For example, do you want to deposit money in banking sectors? Yes or no? Suppose I'm asking to you, why are you deposit your money in banking sectors? Why not in your home? Because of reason, security. Okay, so that means we believe banking sectors. So those people also giving some name or some word like we are the responsibility person to give a security for your money. So that kind of statement was given by banking people. So that is the reason we also giving the, or are we also giving our money to banking people? Yes or no? Suppose in one final day, the banking people will come to you and they say that, oh, we are not a responsibility people for your money. Then what we want to do? Are you saving your money in bank or you withdraw? Withdraw. Why are you withdraw? Because these people saying that we are the not responsibility people. Yes or no? If they people say like this, then no one can go and save their money in banking sectors now. Yes. So security is one of the major factor why we are saving money in banking sectors. Okay. So here also databases, that security will give to you. That means when you store some personal information, some business information, some confidential information, some sensitive data, if you want to store in databases, those was secured. Okay. And how it was secured? Okay. I will show you practically in our classes. Okay, now, so each and every point I will show you practically how it was security it will give to you. Okay, so why databases are this much security? So that every concept we have a database security concept is there. It's a very important topic. So in that topic, I will show you each and every point. Okay, now, so that is the reason it is called as what now? Used for storing data and information permanently along with the security. And what we said in the next, we said if this software, this tool, if you want to deploy means installation, then which kind of platform we said? It's a platform independent or dependency? Independent. So when we need to deploy any software, we need a platforms. Okay, we need a platforms. If that platform, if it is there, then I can deploy my software. But here two types of platforms are there. One is independent platform, one is dependency platform. Okay, independent platform means your software can deploy in any operating system. Okay, now, so like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, Solaris, OXD, OSD. Okay, now there are so many operating systems are there in the market. Any operating system which will be supporting to deploy your application, then that application is called as what now? Platform independent. Like you're learning Java. Java is a pure platform independent. Yes or no? Python. Python is also pure platform independent. .NET platform independent. So like we are learning the technologies in your front end side, in the back end side also, Oracle is a pure platform independent. So Oracle is a shortcut I'm writing. Okay, platform so platform independent. Independent. And RDBMS an RDBMS product. An RDBMS product. Okay. That means it can deploy it can deploy in any operating system, in any operating in any operating system. Okay, like such as so we said what now? Windows, and we said Linux, Unix, and what I said, Solaris, okay, and Mac, okay, etc. Okay, you can deploy into any operating system. Okay, so Oracle is a platform independent and RDBMS product. Okay, it can, that means it can deploy in any operating system such as such as Windows, Linux, Unix, Solaris, Mac, OSD, OXD, etc. Okay, now this point should be remembered. And later we said, what we said, guys, here, versions, the versions of Oracle software. So this Oracle software, okay, having different versions. So like you can say, nowadays you're learning Java 8i features, 9 features, 10 features, something is there now. Here also, Oracle is having here, okay, different versions are there from the year of, okay, when it is started from the year of 1979 to. So 79 to present, there are so many different versions are introduced by your Oracle Corporation people. Okay, and this Oracle software was introducing by Oracle Corporation people, and the first version, Oracle 1.0, and that version was introducing in the year of 1979. Okay, so up to there are so many versions are there here. So that means from 1.02, okay, and Oracle latest what now, 21C was also there, but in our classes we are learning Oracle 19C. Okay, but recently the 21 also introducing, but 21 is not using in companies. Okay, so Oracle 19C, and 19C now a few companies are going to be integrated this version. Okay, maybe 21 also we are expecting maybe 1 or 2 years. Okay, that also they can use in their development side. So 1.02 Oracle 19C, we are learning 90C, so that's why I'm taking 19C here up to. Okay, these are the things which was there. Okay, now and now, so yeah, the next question is 1.0, 2.0, like 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, okay, 6.0, later Oracle 8i, Oracle 9i, yes or no, and Oracle 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, and 19C. Okay, now, so these many versions are there, but in each version, what kind of differences are there? That means if any version was introducing by people in the market, it means what now? In the latest version, they're adding some features. Yes or no? So otherwise, they are going to be enhancing some features. Okay. For simple example, nowadays we have a mobiles, the mobile application, and we all of you know this, guys, here. Every 6 months, one new mobile will come to market. Yes or no? Yes or no? So when one new model is come to market means what we have in the new model, that means it's completely different when you compare into existing model. Otherwise, existing model features are as it is, it will be carry forward, and they are adding some latest. What it was happening? Existing features are as it is, it was carry forward. Yes or no? And what it is the new things here? Maybe some new features are added. Otherwise, existing features are enhanced here. For example, your previous model is having, okay, for example, Samsung is there. Supposing Samsung 11 model is there, 11M, for example, I'm telling. So this model, okay, front camera, for example, there was given front camera, for example, 8.0 megapixel. And the back camera, okay, back camera they was given, for example, 12 megapixel. Okay, now, right. So now when you come out here, SS, okay, 12 model, Samsung 12 model, what it was happening, your existing features are carry forward, but sometimes you can see very interesting, the front camera, the previous model 8.0, now they extended what now? 12.0. And your back camera they extended here 15.0 megapixel. Okay now. So here this is called as what now? Enhancements. This is called as what now? An enhancement. That means the future is there, but having some limit here. And that limit was increased now, enhanced here. So when it is enhanced here, that is also called a new model. Is there no? So that is what. So here also in any technology, not only Oracle, in any technology, when one new the version is coming to market, it means that what you expect here, you have already existing features and they're adding some new features. So now when you are learning that technology or the version, definitely you need a existing knowledge and newly added a future knowledge. So this both, if you go to complete, then your version is completed. So like this, here 1.0 to 19C, what I said, there are different versions are there, and each and every version they have some features. Okay, so what kind of features are there? What are those? Okay, now, so that all I will go to list out in tomorrow's session, guys. Okay, now, so tomorrow again I'm list out. So, and regular students don't mind it, because 1 or 2 sessions I will take like this because of reason newcomers. Then maybe tomorrow we will continue our where we stopped on Friday, na? Yes, on Friday, last one. Where we stopped Friday, that will be continue. Maybe tomorrow we will continue that. Okay, now, right. So this is what it was happened in the last Thursday class, I think so. Okay, and the Friday class also tomorrow again I will explain to you, and after that we go to the regular sessions as usual. Okay, now, clear all of you now? Yes, and the DBMS backup I will give it. And one more thing, guys, here. So many people are asking admin details, but still online students, admin details still I am not getting here. Okay, so maybe that also maximum I will rectify as soon as possible. Okay, along with Google Classroom as well as recording videos. The last 1 week recording videos also we are sharing. Okay, and that also you just keep it. Suppose if any newcomers or anybody they want to watch the previous classes, what it was happening, so you can take the recording videos and watch it once. Okay, and in that also, if you have any doubts, come to class and ask me. And of course, online students, you're asking your doubts through online. Okay, now, right. So now this is what it was, guys. Here it was happening in the last week. One session about Oracle introduction part. This is just a introduction. Clear now? Newcomers. Clear, all of you newcomers? Oh, okay, right. So guys, and tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, what is the next? The versions I will show you, and after version, we will discuss about the client server architecture. So there we stopped. Yes or no? The client server architecture also I will show you. And after that, installation process, how to do. Okay, in our systems. Okay, Oracle 19C, and downloading of software and installation. The both videos I'm showing in tomorrow also. Okay, right, guys. So thank you so much. And we will meet on tomorrow. Okay, right, guys. Around 20 days or later. You'll come back. Yeah, I have to go out for a week. I'll come back later. Then take ID. Take ID, Zoom ID. Take that ID and come to online. That 1 week or 2 weeks, whatever it is. Come to online, and later you can convert it to offline. But IDs are given by the management people. Okay, once you just contact to him, or those people will provide the details. Okay. Oh yeah, my morning. Actually, I'm not taking 7 a.m. batches. I'm taking 9, 11, and the evening 4, 6. When you will change the link, sir? When you will change the link? Huh? When you will change the link, sir?
link maybe in this week because some new students are adding again into this class. So tomorrow also same thing. When the link is changing means I will inform you. Okay, now before one day they will tell you. Huh? Main classes?